How to fix Amazon Prime Video. I'm going to guide you through the process on how you can do it. Let's get started. First of all, on your phone, if you have the Amazon Prime Video app, and if you are having the issues regarding various errors and the app not functioning at all, in order to fix that, what you can do is you can tap and hold on this Prime Video app icon, and over here you can see this information icon. Tap on it. It will take you to the app info page. Now scroll down to the bottom. Here you can see storage option. Tap on it. Now at the bottom right corner you can see the clear cache option. Tap on it. This will clear out all the corrupt files if you have any, and it will help you to refresh the session for your app. If it still doesn't fix your issues, you can try this clear data option over here. It will reset the complete data of your Prime Video app, so you will have to re-log into it again. And sometimes your Prime Video app also needs an update. In order to do that, you can head over to your Play Store. Now search for a Prime Video app. Open up this apps page. And over here, instead of this open button, sometimes you might see the update option. If you see that, you will have to update this app. You can simply tap on update and you will have the latest version of Amazon Prime Video app. After doing all these, you will be able to fix the Amazon Prime Video app issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more tech tips. Thank you for watching.